Like and subscribe for more.
Booty.
But
That's gonna be the intro video.
carpenter butts. I couldn't get that one.
Carpenterbutts.com.
Plumber, carpenter crack.
Carpenter crack.
It's like plumber's crack, but not as bad.
Okay guys, we are out here working on the greenhouse deck, and it's right there. I've been looking to see what that is, and it is 4:15. We're trying to get at least an hour out of sun left because of the time change, but John has put in a lot of work, and now we're painting to seal the patio frame and bars. So let me show you guys what we're looking at. So here is the back corner. He put in the stilts, these support beams, and now we're painting it with this white exterior latex paint. Anything you want to update them on so far?
Just make it look like this.
Just make it look like this, he says. All right, cool.
One eternity later.
Okay, so that was probably very chaotic for a lot of people to watch because we were just trying to get it painted, and it's the foundation, so we're gonna put boards over it, so you're not gonna really see it, so we didn't really like be meticulous about it. But the reason why we did that is so it'll seal in the wood a little bit, and it will prevent it from rotting and aging as quick if you don't do anything. You could put a stain or you could put paint, but we got this specific exterior latex paint because it was the cheapest thing we could find close enough. Got the boards to put the flooring down, so we'll probably do that this weekend maybe.
Some of them are very crooked.
Some of them are very crooked. We actually found a local place here that sells lumber, so we don't have to go and drive 15 minutes both ways. Or no, it's probably like 20 minutes both ways and travel with wood sticking out of our car on the highway. So that was very nice. See you guys next day. All right. Okay, we got all of the flooring done. John says we need to get 2 more to fit this end piece. We got 20 of them, and
should have added up to 10 feet, but
that's if we used
1x6s.
1x6s.
Yeah. So it's like with 1x6s, it would have been 20 of them. But all the lumber that you buy from stores today, they're not going to be 1 inch by 6 inch. They're going to be 3/4 by 5.5, which is just what we have figured out.
It's annoying. All these places that sell lumber, they're not the exact length,
'Cause
they're
even-
shorter than what you need. So if
Even
it's like-
all of these were supposed to be 10 feet long, and they were all 9.5.
It's a conspiracy, man!
So yeah, just make sure to bring your tape measure when you go to buy lumber so you can measure it out, and that way you can plan. We've been doing that, but it's still just one of those things you have to manipulate. So we gotta buy 2 more boards, and then we're going to stain it or paint it. But for today, we're probably just gonna put a tarp over it because it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. And then we'll probably call it good until Saturday or Sunday. All right, see you guys next day. So we are in the last stage of the first phase. We got the foundation flooring patio painted, and we just used the same paint that we did for the frame, just because it's what we have and we're using what we have. And then John went and put in these extra, what are these called, supports?
Oh, it's like a little support beam. There's beams all the way throughout the perimeter, but just kind of put these on for safety in case it ends up sinking in one of the other spots.
Yeah.
These will be there to help take some weight off of it.
Okay. So yeah, he put these in and he's painting them there. And the reason why we were painting this, my first choice wasn't white because I wanted it to be stained, but just to save cost, and we've already had this, we decided to paint it all white, and that way it'll seal a little bit better. And yeah, so after we get this done, so it's all done. Phase 1 is done of the greenhouse. How do you feel about it?
Like I'm just getting started.
We probably have like what, 3 more phases to go
After a whole month.
Yeah, we could have gotten it done a little bit quicker, but just with weather and we have other things going on in our life, but it's done. And so next, what are we going to be doing, babe?
The frame.
The frame.
Put the frame up.
Okay. All right. So phase 1 is done. I'm so excited. It's gonna be awesome. See you in the next one.
Toodles.